Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So this is going to be a quickie. I saw this on Pinterest and I will put the link down below, but I thought this was really, really cool and it got me thinking all kinds of different ways. So, um, if you take a couple stencils, I was like, hello, how easy, and I didn't even think about it. Take a couple stencils and then take a water-soluble crayon. Now, obviously, you can play around with water-soluble markers and what are they called? Pastels, anything that's water-soluble. And they used a baby wipe. I don't have a baby wipe here, so I'm like, and if I did go get a baby wipe, people would be like, I don't have baby wipe. What could I use? So I thought, let's just go plain old paper towel. Okay, so I have my water-soluble crayons here. And what they did was they went and they just kind of colored them in a little bit. In different colors, like different areas, different colors. So let's see. One never knows if it will work. I didn't even try it before I did this, so there you go. You know how well that's going to work when I don't try something. So I wet my paper towel. Okay, I wet it. I give it a squeeze. Don't do it on your thing like I just did. And then, I don't think they moved this, which probably is a good idea. Go in and kind of, it gives you that watercolory look. And like color it all in your, and you can move different areas, you know what I mean? Now I might have done that one a little too, pushed a little too much, but let's go this way now. I'm loving it. I won't redo this one. I'll just do a little bit here on the outside. And some purple on the outside. And let's go back in. Just a little bit. Yeah, it's better. Just a little bit. I mean, it depends on how much you want. It's yours. You do it whatever way you want. But then when you move it, you see how you get like this watercolor kind of background almost? Like if you're doing an ATC card or, come on now, let's work here. If you're doing an ATC card or whatever, and you need a background and you can't figure it out. I mean, even something like this, which I will put there, and let's just go in crazy. Just like that. How come it's like picking colors? Let's see what we get. These two are stuck together. Why? Who knows? Do I want to know? I think an art thing went bad in there, which is always enjoyable. All right, I think I'm going to do a little darker there to see. I'm going to do a couple darker and see what we get. Like if maybe that's the way to go. One never knows. Okay, so let's go. Gonna go in here. And again, baby wipe would work just as good. Gonna go in that darker one, which obviously makes it darker, right? Okay, Cal, get with the program. And you don't need a heavy touch, just a very light touch. And you can see I'm kind of mixing colors because laziness, but I just want to show you guys. I'm so excited. And you can even spread it out, like watch, as that color's still on my rag or baby wipe, whatever you're using. Okay. And then the wonderful Oz. Okay, but you see how cool? And you get this kind of background. Now, obviously I have some pieces of paint and stuff on here from another project, but there you go. Then you can go over it with your Mod Podge paper, your Mod Podge mat, whatever you have, gesso, whatever way you want to play, and you can even activate this with your Mod Podge paper. I'm just saying, it works great and it makes it permanent. So that is a really fun thing. Use any water soluble thing that you have, and I hope that you try this out. Let me know. Real quick, okay, I'm just going to ask you guys. I have a lot of things to try out lately. I have some paint that's frosted glass. I have some fluorescent paints. I have a bunch of new fabric paint and marbling. Somebody sent me. It is called. I can't see. Dina Wakely Media Cell Creator. And I'm very excited. So I'm going to try it. I don't exactly know how or, in what capacity, but let me know if there's anything there that you guys might want to see first. I have a lot of requests. I have a lot of comments I have to reply to, but, let me know. Let me know if any of those interest you. And this I made the other day on here, just playing around, and I don't even know. It's because Christmas is coming and very fast. Not only that, but when you go to the stores, Christmas stuff's out already, and it's kind of like off-putting, but hey, what are you going to do? So I hope you enjoyed these, and I will see you guys in my next video. As always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.